Okay, so just doing a little update. So I tied this rope around to remember where I very first saw a cocoon. And the cocoon, if you can tell, is still here. Now I don't know where that butterfly came from. It must have been another cocoon that I did not see. So I'm glad I got the nest. And then I'm observing the plant again and I see something else growing. Now I had a few cocoons in this plant. One seemed not to make it. It was like a butterfly, but it's just the body, the carcass, and it survives like this on the leaf. And then I see another cocoon, and then I have a few cocoons in here that been here for a while and they have not hatched. So maybe we get up and go. Let's go look at what I'm trying to explain. My cat's in the video. So my garden's out on the patio, so it's been getting some crazy heat here in California. Like really extreme, not extreme. It's like, but it's hot for the balcony. So yeah, I don't know if you can see like that right there. And then I have like kind of hard because I don't want to disturb it. Something going on right there. And this is Alyssum. Yeah, they collect, not collect, they draw a lot of caterpillars. And then over here, I tied the string again to remember. Let's see if I can find it. It was on a leaf. Of course it was on a leaf. Let's see which leaf was. I found it. There we go. Can you see that? And then I have some more over here somewhere. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, because I tied a string around it. So I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. But that was exciting to see the moth, but I had to let it go. So let's see what this is going to be. And these little pink moths have been on this plant for about over an hour. And then we have this pink moth that's just been sitting here. I gotta classify, are these moths or butterflies? By seeing little light white caterpillars crawling on my salvia. And then over here, I'll take you over here, I've been having big purple caterpillars crawling. If you've seen another video I may have shown, a short, you may have seen them. But now I can't find them. But yeah, and that's my coneflower. Can't wait to collect the seeds of the coneflower. But that was so exciting. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.